Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Robinhood. Okay, so here I am on the Robinhood app. I'm on my joint investing account. Right here you can see I have a buying power of $0. So in order to deposit money into here, click on where it says buying power. And then at the very bottom here you'll see a section that says deposit funds. So click on deposit funds. Okay, so then I'll bring you to this screen here, how much money you want to transfer into your Robinhood account. At the very top, it's basically asking like, hey, what account would you like us to withdraw money from? And if you don't already have an account there, you click right here, and it's going to ask you where would you like to transfer money out of. You could transfer money from one of your other Robinhood accounts. You could withdraw it from your cash balance, or down here you see a section that says external accounts, so you could add an external bank account here. Other transfer methods, you can see at the very bottom here a wire transfer, so click on whatever option applies best to you. But at this point I've already selected the account I want to withdraw money out of, and I wanted to deposit money into my joint Robinhood account. Okay, so now I'm going to select the amount of money I want to transfer over, so I'm going to transfer over $25. And right here there's a section that says review, so click on review, and then an additional option is going to pop up like what's the frequency. Do you just want to deposit this amount once, or do you want to do it on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis? I'm just going to say just once, and it's going to deposit this amount here just once. And then you can see at the very bottom, $25 will be deducted from your bank account within the next several days. It may take up to 5 business days to transfer. Okay, then click on transfer. Okay, and as you can see here, the deposit was initiated. It's going to take a couple of days in order for Robinhood to actually withdraw the money from that account. However, Robinhood does give the option of instant deposit available, so I could actually immediately invest that $25 without having to wait however many days Robin tells you. So click on done at the very bottom. Just like that, now I have a buying power of $25. The market's currently closed, but as you can see now, buying power $25, and when the market opens I could use this money to buy stocks. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.